Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
I no go ever let my worries make me stress. Nothing go play with my happiness. Yeah, now what you say sometimes I go to jail like tomorrow no day. Many people don't come and go. Now only one life we can do. So free your mind, dance tonight. Let the music take control. For tonight we must push it for you. Yeah, that's why I say me I want to try, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need, baby.
Me, I want to party, me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun.
Me I want to be happy.
Hey, happiness is all I need.
Me I want to try, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun.
That's right.
Me I want to be happy.
Happiness is all I need.
Me I want to try,
Me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun. Happiness is all I need. Aye, happiness is all I need.
93.3 Music upon music. Music upon music. Music upon music.
Right, so 93.3 FM. It's a beautiful Friday morning. There's only 19 minutes. Sorry, 32 minutes after 10. I'm 19 away. Alright, so folks, you still tune in to 93.3 FM. And of course, this is the best mid-morning in the enclaves. And as usual, my name is Jenny Champon Boateng. Call me Kobina Kosti. Call me Abranti for the perfect gentleman. And big shouts to my lead producer. Producer extraordinaire. Man like Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, Kobe K, and Mr. Billy. And of course, Yatanasi. You have a song from now to 12 p.m. It's all about good music. Let's talk here on 93.3 FM. Just because it's a Friday, this is what we're doing. Of course, we don't want to have some fun. We just want to jolly. Happiness is what we need. Right, so beautiful music. Beautiful music from Young Willish and Mr. Easy. And of course, this one happiness. I can bring the song back. Oh, it's definitely just because it's a Friday. No stress, nah. Certainly, we won't allow anything to stress us. We just want to jive. We just want to have fun. Good morning, 19th May 2023, and it's a Friday. Wherever you are, Akwaba BM. If you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Ganteten, if you speak F1, if you speak Brekumi Poiteme, if you speak Awazaya Day, if you speak Fralawani, if you speak Grushi Kweta, if you speak in Zaman Kodi, I'm Fantinia Pacha today. Swahili, habari yako. Abushia, Yachinazi. Eba. Happiness is all I need. Me, I want to be happy. Me, I want to dance. Everybody down. So this is part of the reasons why I love Fridays. Yeah. I used to say this every day on the show, that we go through a lot just to make sure we bring you proper show. A lot goes into productions from Monday to Thursday. And when it's Friday, I mean, we just want to cool it down, make sure you enjoy your day, make sure everything goes on perfectly as planned on Friday. That's right.
I just want to make my money, and I just want to be happy. Let me this the work body, I might get the gun body.
Actually, baby, I wish I be an aquaba bio. And the Mahin Kind 93.3 of it. My patch over to me join the show live on the Facebook. I am Kind 93.3. I will Facebook and on YouTube also. Over to me join my patch text message number no 0594841044. 0594841044 text message. It's answer your WhatsApp. Over to me, they will message the first. So come up. Now, my Ken Kanama, trust me. I was sending I'll be more than glad to give you a live mention just because it's a Friday. Let's have fun. Let's die. You get. Me, I want to die, me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun. Happiness is the party. Everybody now. Me, I want to party, me, I want to die, me, I want to have some fun.
For my brain. Hi, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti.
I know they play with my happiness. I know go ever let my worries make me stress.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What?
Yeah. Now what you say sometimes, I could tell you like tomorrow, no day. Many people don't come and go. Now only one life we can do. So free your mind, dance tonight. Let the music take control. For tonight we must push it for you. Yeah, that's why I say, me I want to jive, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to jive, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to jive, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to jive, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need.
And that's right, so it's only 38 minutes after 10. And I'm sure you are enjoying your day. I'm sure you also want to party. Just ask myself and the rest of the guys in the studio. We jam into the selections, all the music perfectly selected by my man DJ Shabu. And of course, we're making sure we have a course to come up on them, man. Big shouts to all my taxi drivers, what want to say. And also a big shouts to my man Bright. Yeah, Bright. And he can't help him electrician. Big shouts, my brother. He says, good morning, bro. You are making my morning. I'm jamming to all your music selection at the house. Big shouts to you, my guy. And a big shouts to my brother, my big brother, Richmond Kwesi Danso. Oh, stop over, oopsie to Carnation Chona. Photocopy near the What's it called? Nancy send me out on blog. Blago see blog in the movie. You did see there and I said, yeah, you do go ice cream, so no. Anyways, big shouts to BB Audio of the 93.3 FM. It's a Friday, and Friday, we are catch us here. You free executive for the NFA, the Bad Boys West level near there. Into the partners, when you figure craft watch because yeah, the Monday and Bremer Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the Friday, you have two forms. Hey. So of course, we want to jay. Right, so let me give my usual shout outs to my people. It's a very big shout out and come on, Mr. Orban, Mr. Chumesi, Moachama Boabu Heya, Afe KNL Fashion, Moachama Boabu, and Afe Asene Berman Quine, Salum de Gambia, Moachama Sanin Afe, Masani Funny and Nim Bakopel. Omuna me Tom can't papa said the funny and him. Now, I mean, Nicrom Heavy and I'm on Nicrom Heavy. And a very big shout and come on, Nanayao. Nanayao Bompire Junction, we have organizer. I want a comfort and a natural beauty look salute. Good morning, SDA Junction and come on. The super authentic Bra Michael. Carpenter Papa, boy Juma Style baby, and I'll pay good morning. Come on, Bra Michael, one of Mahana of God's Time is the best fashion / special gobe. Go be. Hey, go be the shabu seven jaika. And I'll be seeing Jai, was him funny, but shabu Mr. Recording. I see the Mahana, big shouts and come on. Only one more in parts and I'll pay Messi, Priscilla, and a Grace. Bringing on pay good morning and come on parties golden scissors. Oh, Jubilee Top Horn, what to say? One Asada Beauty Salon, good morning. Janice Fashion, good morning. And come on, watch more than Quantenum, good morning. Yendru Yaji. Boss Subakope, yeah, what to say? Oh, Kameni Johnson, one Charities Fashion, NFA, DJ Lion, more, yeah, Kameni Johnson, Yambo Rim, Ishmael, his great phone, me, I'm a guy, Ishmael, and I pay good morning, and come out, and I'll pay Emmanuel Amauga, who my manager man Temu, electrician, and I pay good morning, and come out, so, and I'll pay Kwame Taylor, or the boss, Mr. Sarah, quality fashion. Kwame Taylor, Mr. Obi, I bet him a test message, don't call an elementary message, and I pay me the meet me the code you brought for them. I beg you in the name of God, Kwame Taylor, don't test me any message today. If you're for now, test your man. Why? I told the boss, more quality fashion, liberty entrance and open. And come on, and I'll say Richmond Question so. Oh, a year stop over opposites. We have photo company printing area. Good morning. That's my big brother. And I'll pay me chat. And I'll say, and come on, if you are Ajiman Gold. Good morning, come on, sweethearts. If you are Ajiman Gold, on the brackets, you know, pay good morning, come on, and I'll say, and come on, neat and so, and I'll rally Chanel. I was my body here. Rally Chanel. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And come on, 93.3 FM. Yeah, quite Chimodan Government Hospital. And I just say, Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, Nanajwa. Munina no pay good morning. Ghana Commercial Bank. Edna. You see, Edna call you the latest Honda Civic. Edna Bishaj, come on, Charlie. Good morning to all my taxi drivers. Brad David Pasco, Raouf MP3, Staga Obama, Ricardo Tanko, about Tampa Jonathan this year. And when you know what to say, Banshee, good morning, come out, Tilapia, good morning. And I'll say, Baruso Boy, Piero, Richmond, good morning, come on, that's a point some of the movie to Hadebia. Number man called for Philly show in there. Why is this you off? Hey, you know, show them as out. Tell him my I'll show them too much. Yeah, I'll show them. I said, the energy need different. HB Patron, check me the daily dose of motivations, bro. Michelle Cranope. And I'll say, I have to watch you so here on 93.3 FM. And every Friday, so it's all about good music, carefully selected by DJ Shabu. Maybe I will be alone. You're crowded, so be you because every Friday. It's an air there, the kind of cassette for the other one, Michelle. See the end of Friday, yeah. 93.3 of FM coming across the DJ Shabu Kobike, Mr. Billy. Here come. Right, so let's do this song once again. Young Willis and Mr. Easy. It calls this on Happiness. I love this song. Yeah, I told you, man, I love good songs. You already know. I love good songs. So let's do this. Hey, me I want to party, me I want to have it, me I want to have it. Right, so let's go, let's do this right now, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Corbin Acosti, and you tune in to the best mid-morning here on 93.3 FM. You ready? I'm ready. Let's go.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Frescalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
As I wake up in the morning, I feel blessed. I know they play with my happiness. I know go ever let my worries make me stress. Nothing go play with my happiness. Yeah, now what you say sometimes, I go to tell like tomorrow no day. Many people don't come and go. Now only one life we get to. So free your mind, dance tonight. Let the music take control. For tonight we must push it for you. Yeah, that's why I say, me I want to jive, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to jive, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to jive, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to jive, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. with the energy. I just want make my money, and I just wanna be happy. I feel this you work body, I might get the gun body. Nothing man you never see. For tonight you much your Now I say sometimes I go to jail like tomorrow no day. Many people don't come and go. Now only one life we get to. So free your mind, make we vibe. Oh your baby make it know. Say tonight we got to shake body. Oh. That's why I say Zagadat. Me I want to jail, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I know. Me I want to jail, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun.
The Big Money Show, the Big Money Show. Have a blessed day.
Me I want to jail, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I know.
Kalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
If you get the money, oh you're spending money, make you spend the money. She get the money. If you get the money, no they hide the money, make you spend the money, job.
Right, so big shouts to my girl Abiana. So me, I was rooting for her to win the best female vocalist of the year. But when we name it, who grab one? Is it PS Siesta? No, I think it was Nuella, right? Yeah, it was Nuella. Sorry, Niela. Maybe Nuella, it's Niela. So Niela won. Oh, but I mean, next year my girl will win. Still voice.
Money, they call me for my brain. Hi, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti.
That's right. So next year, she must win best vocalist of the year. I mean, female category. Right. So let me tell you about what is going to happen on 3rd June. This year, what is going to happen? I think it's just next month, right? So next month, let me tell you what's going to happen on 3rd June. It's all about Abonti Music Festival, or Abonti Music Festival, of course. Rice Under Pop 360 present Pop Night with Ras Kuku, and it's going to happen on 3rd June 2023 at Rice Under off Abu Wadan Road. Joe, it's absolutely free, and Shannon so say it's not open for persons below the ages of 18 years. If you don't the 18 years, I will sure don't come there. So we're going to have fun, of course. But you know, Ras Kuku, Eba Chimoda, Ras Kuku, Eba Achimoda, Ewa Rice Under Pop. Namia Duma 3rd June. Rice Under so be Rice Under Womewa. Oh, the Ofoka Kasoko Rice Under. Ras Kuku Beseho, Ewa Rice Under Pop. Namia Duma 3rd June. Ewa Achimoda Haya. Na enya Enon over stage. A lot of musical artists bring up a full stage so I send your money at the Shannon song. Say 10th June, it's a Saturday. And you know, Yaji need to say Friday, we say Nanka Saturday, the energy could G on the and of course, I will be there. Come on, maybe a party will be you should know the Kwabena Kosti is there. So then I was telling someone, I said, I'm busy. We've been peeing out there. I was who cast away busy when I watch a movie, and of course, that is me. But for this one, yeah. My day. Hey, so it's cuckoo. Aye. Eva. Hey, Baba. Alright, so this is Ras Cuckoo. And because this one will the channel song set 3rd June. It's a Saturday. It will Rise Under Pub. Rise Under. And more say Rise Under Pub. The party's office Pub 360. You ever say hold on me at 3rd June. And to the channel song for count budget home. Set 3rd June. You are coming to party hard with Ras Cuckoo. Only 18 years, I remember how this time around the bouncers. Bouncers day. They go bounce you out because easy. So my first time them bounced me for club was refugee, you know. Yeah, no, I think it was 2016. I was Triple X, Liberia camp. Charlie them bounce me. Then me I be some tiny guy be. Then me my big boys with the enter. Not broken down. With the enter them see me say now I over. Them bounce me simple crowd. It's the following day, and we also had Mapuka night. Hey, Charlie, bro. Shabo, that Mapuka night. If that day where he exposed me to things I don't want to talk on radio. Hey, just I see for my eye. Me catch my bro and now you go stress. Alright, so let's get into it. Our daily dose of motivation is 93.3 of and the young Kasabi bring me say my mommy show crying. Yeah. Mission crying. So Shabo, let's get into it. Our daily dose of motivation, of course. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery as usual. Madaro Manano Pebiana Yade and Crown Share Assem Yade Bro. 93.3 FM. The Color Studios. Achim Oda Liberty Transport opposite Kenop Pharmacy. Ope baby ayen tadi kama pa. Mo Sunday na twa mobile ahen kind of Mother's Day party no. Mo hun tadi na sha ahen kind of stars no. Yeah. What who say? Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. And the Jumeko Bia Mutima no pay somewhere the pound for hairdresser for Carpenter Association for taxi drivers. In fact, any organization be person printing tadi papa. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. After show be out worry. To say me say me save the date to Hona Miko channel. Me save the date no. You could travel Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. HB I was over warning idea. Michelle, men could travel picture no baby. Call Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Who do birthday call or baby who maybe what fashion who maybe in fact or baby how did the birthday I'll pay quality and nice pictures. Now I call Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Friend was 0245 27663 0245 27663. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Or Achim Odanhaya. Now, young crown shall seven so way every Christiana Lawson. Christianity, believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there's something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. And it's from Christian. Oh, make Christiana. Hey, I didn't say Christian. Lawson. I offer Champion Show. Mr. Spurs is to me. I just hear him zooming and some of them are Christian. And we try to be Christiana. So, anyways, I don't put your crown shots, but you believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there's something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Now, yeah, papa, na see you are Christian. I can say, Nipa de wo so ji hu di say. Wo bibi wo mu a eso sin akwansidie bia. What you say? Ji hu di. Se uyo bia unji hu di ade be am fa ka sa we. And me share obi a unji ni hu di da. But me sure say your uncofo bebere ho no ma. Omu njo mu hu di ma me try na ntia me ka sa. Obi wo ho no ma o. Wa transe I invite ade kama bi pa. But all the chiro be say I did this on my own. O ka chiro be say ade me na me ye na so ban fa so na ese no. Yes so ferry but osuro abemubu a ye be den obi bebu no. Nancy and I'm in a fish now. You share pictures be. So there's this lady, she's a carpenter. Or the car thighs near the end of the year. Empire in Kunya center table near the. So we had someone Anna or kind of story actually says. So when this lady started, or did you this over to me? And people were saying, Baby, see the carpenter for who being as you catch them. No. Jimmy who this made the first lady I may call viral in terms of doing these things. And now she's all over. She said, himself. The moment Hundi and I said the moment Obefia say you don't believe in yourself. I mean can say Hundi say bibi wo mu a eso sen akwansidie bia Mr. Obe brewa sasi so be da baby still enfa. What is that make an say? Obe try so obey bibi. Obe try sen kan kofo yan appreciate what you are doing. But one kasa you don't believe in yourself. It's the nya dia sa de chrono ese be ban fa so. You get it? Mark Zuckerberg, when he had this idea of creating Facebook, if you read his story, the roommates Bebrina discouraging, but he believed in himself, say no, one day, and of course, we are all enjoying Facebook. We sit here, we talk to people abroad. We are all enjoying WhatsApp now. We sit here. In fact, WhatsApp is the simplest way of communication. We sit here, we talk to people from Tokyo, Bangladesh, Nigeria. Where obi idea. Onyaye or Ginny who desire. I want to connect the whole world within some few seconds. Send be obi stressing home and kase I am writing letters. He said letter be. I am writing letters. I am me girl schools I'm letters one anya de ketua. But anyways, me pacho ade bia wo ye bia wasasi so home. Jinhudi. Ade bia wo ye bia no jinhudi say ade we ebeba mfaso amame ana afoforo ana mebusua what I say na saka kire won say ade bi wo mu a eso sen obstacles eso sen akwansidie benim say wadanfo betimi aye obstacle e wo brabom because obe try so be discourage you obe try so be ka kire say ade we die jo obe boka jai fa osika no yen fanko didi jai yen ko di gobe wadanfo e betimi aye akwansidie. But say uji uhudia ube say you have something in you a so say asamna wadan for nekano though obe can there but you ube override what I say ube ti asamna wakano ube ti so waka but unfa nya asem you get it so o catchra won say me ya obeye o catchra won say me ya obeye echi ye bebu abemu na ye kan de ya kyerɛw na ye kan de be ma ora ho in fact de awti abemu say na de kra na say de obi anam na gu misu misro sha oji ohu dia nia enipa bebrebe ka bia ensida. I have this picture on my phone with me you crapping me status see. So there's this one guy on kwa enipa multitude enya said your kano eboa o say men kwa against nipa 1000 me say mo boa ono kwa o say men kwa against nipa 1000 nya mo be kan bia me say mo boa. Sometimes you need to have this attitude say ade wey somebody to anu ba be 3 years a menya mfa so obi catch us 3 years ba na come ku a catch us say an enkumi what you say etada I mean don't follow kofobio. Hey, mobile money message enye sika ma me to message ni so mesro ba this thing me pekra obun say me yeduma what's the mobile money u ko hwan so enye sika e dey grade mesro ha na me nkran chance se no besi Mr. Billy said that and say have me end me motivational message no pekra. Right, so mesro jihudi dem say bibi ewo mu a eso sin obstacles. You get it? 93.3 FM. Mr. Billy we nya miao. MTN phone de mobile money abedi deceive me. But sana nyesika. It you know yanko break yabasisia.
Cascades on it.
Jaja uni me say any obia. Unti ensu obia.
Yo,
Gang, make I tell you where the party day. Saturday, 3rd June 2023. The party's office, Rise Under Par, presents a Bontin Music Festival. Pool night with the evergreen dancehall artist Ras Kuku.
Well, you don't know Ras Kuku, need to get to the president, RK, original, the man himself, you don't know me. There, I think that for me, saying Akimoda, Abuabulu, no so on the 3rd June. So I said, Ras Kuku, me be my baby scene. Minimum in a baby party, I want him for Rise Under Par. On the 3rd June, there is all about Ras Kuku inside Akim, Madame Bume Reloaded. So as I say, bless up.
Yes, and you're free. No get trivia, but for table reservation, free 0240-539433. Joe, Branian Pape, Branian Gianni, all nights.
Is it right? Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be
and what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buying every home. And now Pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row, at to 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, Inti Obia Pemasem. So, would you Juma Shaminsa? Mesha say, Wisika and Co Waste. Inti, me Tomino Manina Free Jump Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensanche, Anti Sawope Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna say, Simaf, Nina, Ubenyebi Ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensanche, Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, Kenoff, Papa Panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, opera barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size, Nina, Ubenya Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensan Cheng, our Kameni Junction, on Ejaji and Editioning, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
All correct, sir. I take a woman. Mary Medro delay man capsules. Ya wouldn't ye. Boy, yeah. I would dinner when Yanisano would delay a Jumano so papa. Now what say? Now we ye pa. Delay my capsules. I don't know. I might Mrs. Cinema got to them why I can see. Now look at Misha and the capsules, sir. A man and Marimanum Biano. Menum Biano Medo. Who may say? Who said what he feel I have fed neat pa. And Tina question what would delay, sir. Look at Misha and the capsules. Means so a future chromo yaw BM Mura. So what be delay crano? Miss Robbie. Bema now, baby, I will be won't pay and now over to yaw be a hobby piano. For look at Misha. Esiano. Yaribi to say gonorrhea, white, syphilis, and the account who will be a 1 inch minute da into my lock hair mixer and in the capsules. And may through our herba and pharmacies in them. Good one for 0242 133 577 and 0202 675 778. Lock and mixture and in the capsules. And what's that in kind?
I swear. Nyamianim Ukraine said bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, Mitri Miami do. Who I see what Bessinian ko Preferland we can see bien. As I say, Ayabia couple as what you feel. Be beer management and see a tight. One more Nippon dog and into Ukraine, Japan. Bessinian ko Preferland Hotel. The Woody birthday party. Oh, worry. And a year not your Wobafi. Program bia Bora Brifaland Hotel Adentia or car park kesie or baby green grass and kwadia gro kama na nipuno eya kona bi international standard ujali ni na kone safa future mu puno su ujali a unse yes ujali ni pensio akona nkasa Brifaland Hotel or wadan ya udro bebre asa uju ni bra onya busan benya baby ada na so no kanjiman's go no problem ebonu sie ku enya nunku so pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Brifaland Hotel enyum chiachia so abri bia eninti achemu dan manso ene ne mpatamfo ni na cross for mo she ho Brifaland Hotel bamamo nani masem de bia wo kwasia de bia eye pool party esanso e mutual special brabe didi na se dwale Brifaland Hotel e wa chimanso wudu ani atere achem dan kwa no so na Presby School na chipe fresh 0551-187-926 and now say 0507-640-302 Brifaland Hotel Fresisia near Bama.
Hola la! Edition from Mukita SSC, WASI, HND, and mature student na yadia sendenamo.
Akim State University College. Ebie na apno ato. Opese we ya topper within 2 years. And now say mature student 25 years and above. Akwanya no ababeda ho.
Akim State University College aya programs be at say business programs. Ye will BSc accounting, BSc marketing, afa BSc banking and finance, sanso and a BSc human resource management. Enya nunkwao engineering programs and so ekahubie BSc electrical and also electronic engineering afa BSc computer science.
Enunti admission is in progress. Ubetimi apeke forms.
Enti shaniso asa Akim State University College ani KNUST ana kawa motuma abo enti uba beji we this year ewo Akim State College at senia wako KNUST pepepe.
So we ye china kwanya yawa Akim Asene oda kwante pon so. And I saw my friend 0207-163787 and now say 0242-256070. Akim State University College. Discipline,
excellence, and development.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Ejumo.
day to give, I'm not to go. John Narnazi stop, but to la top, to la little block. It's funny, if you looking on me, Balo Bang Pombi, if you let Basapi, it's funny, if you looking on me, Balo Bang Pombi, if you let Basapi. Carry first, here for Ghana. If you with it, Moshe Jama, make you no carry bed in your cabana. Auto pedic in your cabana. For enter your head, Kina Fama, who make it ziggy, music is zaka, make it hala boys, na kwaba. Mentis, man, na kwaba. Okay, to the left, not to the right, now lean back. You know the vibes, Dope Nation. What be your price? It's the day price, no be today price. Hey, to the left, not to the right, now lean back. You know the vibes, Dope Nation. What be your price? It's the day price, no be today price. For one side, Yaro don't try. Yeah, mommy can short. Yeah, I be you know the vibes.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, mommy can short. Yeah, I be you know the vibes.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I see they call me, I tell you. But they say you wanna chill with the big boys. Now big boys show you. Now you they cry, you they make noise. Hey. I see the bamba, you don't go carry belly. Now big boy don't run, while I come far. Julie they come big girl. Julie they run them well. Julie they use him body to get what she want. Julie they step well. Now Julie go for the money. Julie rush go for picking. Julie picking no get papa, while I come far. Now Julie go for the money, yo. Julie rush go for picking, Julie picking no get papa. Hey, Julie, Julie don't go mess up, yeah, oh yeah, Julie, hey, Julie, Julie tends to drop out, yeah, oh yeah, Julie, hey, all I come for patrol.
Right, so 19 minutes after 11, Abusian. We are still here enjoying, we are still here popping, we still here dancing, we still here feeling the vibe here on 93.3 FM. Maybe I wish you'd be on the big shots and come out. You see, me even as you see, and call for some breaky records. So I think just last week or this week rather, Obia on social media was talking about the Nigerian chef. I also know for how many hours? Is it 100 hours? Yeah. And then when we see Guinness Book of Record being there. But then it's not yet confirmed by the Guinness Book of Record because almost further investigation as to how she cooked within that particular hours and all. Fine, you can't watch some there. But there's this number Ghanaians, me myself, Mintias here. Not Mintias here. So yesterday, TV3, with the pictures being there by Bontimbebre, Yvette Tete makes history by swimming across the entire Volta River. And then I was swimming about 250 kilometers, and people are complaining, you guys are joking, you guys are... See, Ghana, if it was to be a Nigerian or a foreigner, oh, I had you, I had you, Menti as you. Ghana friends say Hilda, right? Nigerian, is it Hilda? Obi oti krom hanu mankasa. Say Hilda, right? Obi oti krom hanu kra ohuni da kra. In fact, on follow the kra o baby ada. Bani pani posti. Congrats, we are happy. And what do you say up to now? Yeah, up to now I am speaking to you. Yehu, not even a picture of a Yanu Anwaye. Yeah. Memwa. I mean a trendy. She has cooked for 100 hours, hours, and she's made it to the Guinness Book of Record, blah 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 blah. But we've not seen a single picture of whatever she cooked. Say jollof, say so kish no yo, so mutu den yo, say eba say gushi o den yehu picture bia. But we are all not say yo, she's not good. Congrats, this blah blah blah. But our own event started. TV3 for the camera see this ground. We are still doubting, say she can't swim for that kilometer. Hey, Ghana. No, Mentias Ghana. There's this thing I do. I say we love people we don't have access to. Meaning, some what's our experience, and I say, we love people we don't have access to. I'm far away. And I want to congratulate you. I mean, you support you, but I'm more being and I didn't say because of my yadi. Asa, Obabesia, what Gary Apple. Now we are the Cobra for land, the crown, our woman. Obabesia Gary Apple for 250. And for me, who be no big can say TV3, they are joking. Omunim 250 kilometers because from Kumasi to Accra is about 150 kilometers. And they are in a chess. And let me Jared try. Say, Kokuma, what I say? Could Jared try? Hey, meant to ask you, but when you say Brony Anka, we won't do that calculation. We will like, why are you Ghana day? Ghana day. Oh, there we. Anyway, so yeah, po. She's the first person, in fact, all Babisia. I would Jerry. See, me, this or that thing, I've never posted, I've never said anything on it before because me who picture bia. Adriano on one me who picture. Me who picture bia. So I saw a video on the internet, Anna Sparrow performing anyway. Now we Adriano, he was also performing this song. The crowd was singing, blah blah blah. I didn't see the food. Why you going there? Yeah, a man will say, okay, she's done well, blah blah. But one who picture, one who you know, so yeah, jollof, so yeah, who be? Master, get yeah, chrome had event today. TV3 for the camera and this is you who be or dance one you who be, or peer free so you who be, or no a hero though. Now you cry a breaking record, baby, they cry and cry. When the record, I may tell my breaky. Yeah. Now, you need to be catching a go and see a patch or any beam. Your father say a cranny a junk about boy was a beam, your breaking record. Your cry and cash. Sunday, we could soon as already was a radio srow. Yen your beam. Fina Quadia, see a rather fat chain. Bonnie dear, Cyanity. Now you small bomb pioneer there, so see pictures. So these are evidence. You know, she's in the water. What they who you are here, bluffing. My dream, Nigeria for this. Yeah. I did you. The foul sent me cry junk. So why beside you? Yeah, breaking records. Monkey yourself. It's because you abuse I live in here. See, I saw recording. Anyways, Briefland Hotel, watch more than Manso. Open maybe I do birthday, open maybe I do will party, open maybe I will program the event, and open maybe I come upon the Briefland Hotel or watch Manso. Now, hotel honum. Okay, see, I'm in one room, be want to me probably nako. Yeah, me count radio. It's in a Gideon mommy one room. Gideon say any time you remember Briefland, I'm in one room. But me come at that much. Be so me be ahini. I'm kind here. January, February, March, April, May. Yo, man, 5 months. My breaking record. Me come out them 5 months. My adva. Hey, to the idea. The idea that just Gideon. My Briefland. It's Briefland Hotel. Watch him one so. Michelle, shop baby at the pan, Philippa, Juanidia. Not just a Briefland Hotel Sunday, bia. Or Mutual special course on our face pool party course. Mr. Gideon didn't come out 0551 18796 now 0507640302. Now, baby not chair on Dania there. Gideon send me back. You want one room that home. Men kwame me that's how them hold that there be. Me nyama down for be na say. I could probably train there. But I was going to say hotels. Yeah, mama, you need that back home. Hey, who's your guy? The only me while I see as you did like beans and rice. I will never leave your side. I dedicate my time. Hey, to you, my guy. Even if the road is rough, I know mine. Cause you be my G for life. Right, my mouth for I be saying you're my G. Make I give you some filler. Now, so open baby, I could dija. Open baby, at the provisions. Open baby, we see canal de Bacono. Ubenyano, now pepe dia, Mr. A Frimpon Enterprise. Frimpon Enterprise. So, hey, the friend is a man about. Let me see this. So at the point you have a friend, your friend Anastasia. Kofi AG. What to say? Of course, go Akim State University College. Yeah. So Monday, I think it was Monday rather. Monday, Anas was telling me about security code Chrome so koto provisions so koye na ansun bibia. And I'm so quite a fine here. It's Anastasia, our Kim State University College. Because just the next time, see, or Kokroma offer Liberty Kwan so now on Castle Shasha Mandarin down ho or qua or who from Pond Enterprise. Michelle, shall open provisions a good open your mouth. In fact, there also be a provision store open baby. I bet me a ton your mouth over Tonya some fast what they are. Not just a from Pond Enterprise, and I'm recommending the money and I'll pay. Michelle, so what do you seek out from Pond Enterprise? I want to seek and go there be or Honmon Kwa and Sabio says he can't sakra Ubenya Yoma when he bet now they are be feeling idea. It's from Pond Enterprise at Antonio to say a more and toffees biscuits Milonia Diana Ubenya be at from Pond Enterprise or Mandarina down Honoma. Mandarina share Honoma Abe who anything come on 0244 897525 now 0246 4739530242111236 from Pond Enterprise Jumera with the Papa Ache. Hey, Shaboni father there birthday contractor so. I say you know. Shabo Shabba the thing hasn't come yet though. It go come. Okay. I was young Shabo bribe me. Hey, Shabo catch a Romeo say. Catch a Romeo say still na my account no me check here the woman the womb. What did I make no? Aha. Catch a Romeo say me check my account now the woman the womb. And I check my account now me was 0.044. Hey, say no. I just 44 pesos. And 50 pesos. I call my mobile. All right, so a happy birthday, and come out Nana Boachi entry. Nana Boachi entry. Oh, a boa in career, St. Louis store. Oh, now way every year, papa, ne wo mami no mina. More Ghana near Boucher. I mean, I say happy birthday. And fan come out Nana Boachi entry. Nako ponyo kesiye na mawa koma swade nyina. Embremu ewo Yesu dim kase amen. And then the happy birthdays and also right. So we okay. It's the Joel Obrimpon Aqua. Joel Obrimpon Aqua. And then I 1 year. And happy birthday and come on we film mama no papa. And all the Blanks family, I almost say happy birthday and come on we are incoming CEO into Joel Obrimpon Aqua. God bless you. Na oma wakoma swade na embrem bani na be correct CEO pa nye CEO we di camp bo we ni bi answer wajin kofu edwuma mu anya no bi gra happy birthday fan come wa Regent Roof and Construction Limited achimo na chrome handling important baby Womo bodan so ma hu se empire bodan so womo ma hu se odan na yefre dey bia me catch us said na hu of be it depends on the roof and the roof how the bodan so na chair dan na hu of me share call Regent Roof and Construction Limited compare IBR IDT self lock standing seam metal trusses and aero house ni na okọ ya so ya ha benya bi atho papa ya Wakim State SHS no Mechanism SHS Anna. Mr. Omo Johnson is open opposite and Abehu Regent Roof and Construction Limited. Friend was 0544313504 and now 505 0244134119. Regent Roof and Construction Limited was your home of reliable roofing products. Now, Mami Chow, the number one stop shop for all building materials. Achima than important. Baby, I will call Shampa. What to advance your home, papa? A Jam Trading Enterprise. Jam Trading Enterprise. The whole day who. The whole day who. Apo. Achima da kroma de me catch you say on. So what koto adia. Na ye catch with nipa or experience over a decade. Only problem. This man has over 2 decades experience. In terms of building materials. Onon kwane ton ye papa. The bia me catch us say okoto ade na enya papa ultimate recommend obi nko hobie mana me boa. Pasa okoto na ye papa, you will feel good and very okay to recommend a friend to that particular place. Michelle, where you tried and tested ATB Patrol, Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Mr. Chairman Mensa, or Achimodan Haya. Achimodan Hayana, Ubehuno, Mepacho, shall open Nadawa Ato, open cement, BTC Simaf, Diamond, Gasem, now I call Jam Trading Enterprise, open Nadawa nails, iron rods from 16 to quarter rods, then in Albany Biato, after to POP, brands are who doing plaster balls. Makacho said the actual so cannot for no and ye papa. Also now Ubenya Biato, the whole na Oko Jam Trading Enterprise, Ubenya Kenoff, plaster balls Nibiato, after upper fiber, say 1080, Albany Biato, upper center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wires. After so the double chemukra, a marine boards. Now marine board, no. Young me say. I will go for be bazana with the other ready be as a vessel make a 2 second don't you Tieha Nako to the babwao Tieha na Tonya Wasumba Joe anti Jam Trading Enterprise Mr. Mesa and now say Chairman Mason or Kameni Junction. One is Ajin the Shenimu. And Tisa pair, my dance here who from crane to crank papa. Your castle so honoma. You bet me kujawa short cement, baby, iron rods, and POP no pair fiber, baby. You bet me kujawa and sa Fred was 0208 123 0208 123 and 0244 566 880 0244 566 880 Jam Trading Enterprise or Kamani Junction one is Ajin the Sheni Manasa and Tilano Paya Buraho na Yampra Bridge now halfway Yanko Bros Kotom Bros Katakakra Ayaze ya bonfire because baby I feel Bruno one Sheni Yana Mate men can nada one Sheni ya na Yano at Tanya, would room penny fears. I'll quad our ray. Yes, I'll quad our ray. In fact, would draw our rear pencil. Now, share with Chisha with him as it. Yano matter children to children Satran as a old boy, Mawari. Mr. High Resurrection Interference in collaboration with Sabbath Faith Salvation Church presents a night of powerful worship and prophetic festival. Wamusibra. Bon na bonfire na ufie before na wase wa ye be ma no trans ne nhwade be bon sem na jiji wo ye ohufri ma kwansidie bi mu be bon sem na bonfire na we ye de ni mbrem wa kwantuo no wa ware na usika sem no school no in fact o mabra ba na sabio ase ya achia no me show achia nsuo mbuye bra the bomb sem na bonfire 21st May Ewa Chimodan Methodist Conference Hall. Ebe shall see enumerate 6 p.m. Na just say Bibia Koso kama upon the man. Maybe a Sabbath Faith Salvation Church. And to only at Sabbath now to faith the other just say what was a young small pioneer boho. I say not salvation as I can home. I just say your boy is some bonfire pan. My catch baby Abrabona do the dear. Wouldn't yammy the ajo. I said nursing. On some zoom, I'm on in the Musa. Mr. What a sad hour was so much of a report for a brabova. Come on, Pie, team of that's why seek peace and prosperity for the city. The you free Jeremiah 29, verse 7. Kofi G at the sign. That was to be a summer canina. Some can Canania. It was here to so. Right, so big shouts to Ishaba Prince. I see listening to you live. I'm coming from Accra. To free Accra no ticket no bani adia. Ishaba oh driver the friend say. Kana timu bano mami who driver ni dina. Me man the quick shouts ni adia. You man the anyone ni adia. Hey, who is your guy? Say no na. One line. See as we did like beans and rice. And conform them in to pan, but I mean, you want me to know Joe. Sabo, how you not promote me? I don't try you. Hey, oh, never. Tell the boys not be family, bra. And conform them in to Sabo, woman, not chapa. I don't know any. But me know the mommy. Play my song for me. I chabusha for anywhere bay. Tobo. See, I used to let people introduce their song to their listeners, me boy. Hey, I'm introducing me no. Let me sit down here. Okay. Ebushia from a Governor Costi. I'm an artist. Upcoming artist. I am not underground. Me a upcoming artist. Me started in 2010. But in Kofan supporting me. Me no man can koye me transit in so na buye. And I see there be me fufuro. So anyway, man planning many Diamond. We were just having fun in the studio. And I buy and I go beat no. And yeah. It's your friend who and you put the title what you say. Bam. Say antro. Real fit title no. I demand title. Aha, facha me. I do the title ya fache. Me kan ho fache. 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 Eti enuma be boy me amenum. Me amenum. Me ya recording you 2017. Enche ya be na remix ni etwa video. Yenko. Anyway, enemy numni. Aha.
DDSR. Kwabina kosti baby to me na wapa so fano waka so go go for moda me shafache bonia ma ya wono wada mi nebiem Asemba ni pane kan ko go from enfum sonaba. You be the only one for me, girl. If you leave me, I go die, yo. Enuntino, wada minya basa basa, wada fache me. 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 Minya basa basa, wada fache me.
Let me talk him, I want to know for a couple of years. Every couple of Masaba, fresh in your ears. Then I will pay, coke and a beer. Can I mental mouth, cause he can't say. Trust me, watching now be tree cooler. We sang for no my Joe, me, I'm a Frida. The let in the couple of mess as a walk out, make an issue, show, I made a bit trying to come. I'm so sorry for the past, I made you so worried. Masaba back and fair before sorry. My young couple not for them begging. A double throw, I'm home watching a joggy. They take bread now for the doggy. But for free or dog, now you're doggy. To me, money, I made them say brody. Sadi and Sadi and
no, basa basa, what the fuck, Jamie?
Let me talk him, I want to know for a couple of years. Every couple of Masaba, fresh in your ears. Then I will pay, coke and a beer. Can I mental mouth, cause he can't say. Trust me, watching now be tree cooler. We sang for no my Joe, me, I'm a Frida. The let in the couple of mess as a walk out, make an issue, show, I made a bit trying to come. I'm so sorry for the past, I made you so worried. Masaba back and fair before sorry. My young couple not for them begging. A double throw, I'm home watching a joggy. You take bread now for the doggy. But for free or dog, now you're doggy. To me, money, I made them say brody.
And this is a muhura for this. But I won't find kind of question. Yes, she was fine. Makofa, yes, was fine. Next year, we have 3 music awards. Maybe I've been nominated and maybe a VJ. Me pesa on some category. I don't like it. Me new artist of the year. Women I'm trauma no. I just said me to buy. I just said die.
Menini yemeyo eda obeka buy. Esu aka mesu no. I just said me to buy. Eti wada facha me
mesu o man kai.
Ede na ubedi
abeti ana fry. Hey. I didn't want me cry. Yes be man so man me try. Oda ujamine mi jana du. This against the bana nu. Oda ujamine mi jana du. This against the bana nu. Eh ohun ni pa menyo mo bie nu osa be fa to this no. So sa nyomo no. Tinyami adma Tuesday, Shabo unya no worry that way. Tuesday. Reference a brako. Takras me boy. Nyame adoma Shabo Shabo nua e ware wo Takrase nyame adoma Tuesday Shabo she o hyenkom ne bra wi a ono na o ye ne de no na Shabo na okay the Shabo de no beba so o de da be okay senka me bo anka mabodi ni ade nyina ana di ni okay sa me ye de a Mimi ko tap shampoo. Save the day to grab me Jerry. Anyway, it's 93.3 FM, 43 minutes after 11. A few minutes now can you find you? Yeah. Find you kakra.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
More music on trendybeats.com.
But didn't I want Kwame Taylor not to send a test? I think I did, Anna Manye. Okay, so he sent a test finally. He says, Kosti.
More music.
The perfect gentleman, but no, but see, because someone can hear, but Kwame Taylor about the man. Who's the capital letters in the who's listening? And yet the perfect gentleman, yeah. When I make Canada, was it okay? Into my mommy spelling. Gentleman, I'm trying to say Gentttenan. Charlie, me spelling our body. It's Gentttenan. Can you say?
Gentleman.
I'm telling you, Kuniba. Ozzy, we are listening to you live at listening to the LISTING.
Listen.
No. Come tell me I want you. Me see if you are now watch. I was listening to you live at Liberty Station, quality fashion. Keep the good work. All FM station is off because me, Kosti, I go momo you, okay? Call me Taylor. Call me Bekuya yo. Call me when I'm person we need you. Call me go momo me me try momo no. Yes, I said good morning, Kosti. Big shouts to a good friend of mine, Linda Tachian. Say this is from her friend Vinci, all the way from Asane. Okay. This one says, Kobena, you do what a Friday morning with all these lovely teams. One for the Ember. Me try to do the Ember Nafe. I am proud real quick here on 93.3 FM. We have just about 7 more minutes to leave and return on Saturday. I didn't map a you know. Okay. See, I'm glad there's some pubbing. Sent in a sticker. Said good morning. Baron Azza says, Kobena, your song is fantastic. Charlie, thank you. Oh, Charlie Michelle. Blessed Sun says 2 p.m. Asante Mampon. I'm really enjoying the show live from Mampon. Happy birthday to Nana Ama of Chronom. Anayankanza Chronom Kwapra. Anayanza Kwapra Chronom Kwapra. Was in Nana Ama. Papa B, enjoy your day. This is from 2 p.m. Amisco Spelele Kaswa. Hey, I'm enjoying the show. Happy birthday to Lady Juliet Freeman Arthur. She's a nurse at Agona Surgery Hospital. God bless her so much, and may she live to be 93.3 and beyond. Amisco Spelele. Charlie says Spelele. Spelele. Okay. Mohene also says come. Oh, somebody is count somebody for you. Hey. Right, so big shouts to Plasma the Taylor. I'm listening all the way from Achimachi, Asane. I didn't have a chance about my names. Asane Plasma. Asane Plasma the Taylor. Good to know you guys are always in tune. Alright. Plasma, I'm shirting them by. Just let me know when my shirt is coming. So I think next week Saturday, may call a chance. It's not a chance for me. Next week Saturday, may call a chance. Oh, Plasma said tomorrow I will send it. Plasma, next week Saturday, may call host show a chance. May call MC a chance. You kindly give me a 9 shirt. I'm a fan call, yeah. My 9 shirts. I'm a fan call a chance. Next week Saturday, we go host show. Anyways, we are still here I'll say I will star you, don't worry about it, okay? Oh, okay. Plasma with Judy. Judy. That's right. I'll send me calling meetings on the idea. You see, I need to be a fine. Maybe I may come up with what do I say? See, they say I should marry. So you go so. If I don't come, you come foolish my way. Alright, so we have just about 4 more minutes. Then I'm sorry, call. When I come on the more trying Saturday, and to watch now Showbiz 933. Ebebaso. Plasma, I like you too. I like you, Kovla Costi, you are too much. Plasma, you too, you be too much. You be too much. You be too much. You be too much, Charlie. But you see, there are guys, baby, oh, Hanuman, yeah. Almost time upon to some store being KNL fashion, quality fashion. We sometimes me programs are me going and our parties golden seasons. Programs are me going. These are people that styled me. And to Plasma, next week we are na meshako. To me train with you no. Next week we are na meshako. Watching us shako hosting program no. And to me train opa. Watching Saturday watching Showbiz 933. Myself, Kobe K, my boy yes Lord Caleb, Prince Shina, and the Almighty Raz. So last week it was this week was Minkaida Club, but I was on my phone. And I mean who video be when OJ Black came here. And I mean who saw video be posted here. I catch a Raz and say, Raz, I see you are creating and it's allowed. Maybe I know because I said, boy, Raz, or your space, or your phone. Raz say, hey, I'm breaking record. Raz be good about. Raz and Sansas Raku. Kokwa come here, big shouts, my brother. We will be only yes, Lord Caleb and I'm watching the darling boy. Stainless. Big shouts to Munina.